Average male life expectancy is 75. Average female life expectancy is 81. A 6-year gap paid for in silence. Heart disease starts a decade early in the male chest. It's not just a statistic. It's a countdown. Hand on my chest, white knuckles. Just trying to stay alive, can't rest. 6 years less than the world, just to finish the fight. And she's standing there, eyes cold, playing the blame game, while my arteries are hardening under the weight of her aims. The drugs, she says, it's your fault, she says. But the data says it's the cortisol, the stress, and the days where a man's expected to carry the world and never complain, while the suicide rates are 4 times higher just to numb the pain. No accountability, just a finger pointed at a man who can't breathe. She's stitching up a lie while I'm tugging at my sleeve, and I'm heartbroken. Yeah, my chest is splitting, open, grasping for the oxygen, fading into the gray, while the ones who should be holding me are looking the other way. Yeah, I'm heartbroken. After the courtroom, before the cage, I was just a man dying on the center stage. Yeah. Walked into the clinic, they said something ain't right. Statistical anomaly until the middle of the night. 2 a.m. in the back of the rig, from one room to cardiology. Life expectancy dropping in the neon lit. Hurry, blacking out like meat on the steel table, freezing. I can't stay awake to be afraid. 30 years ahead of the curve, I'm the one who's wheezing. But they let me keep the phone, they let the signal stay through, because my love's voice was the only thing that sang true. She didn't blame the stats, she didn't play the part. She was the only one trying to jumpstart a broken heart. And I'm heartbroken. Yeah, my chest is splitting, open, grasping for the oxygen, fading into the gray, while the ones who should be holding me are looking the other way. Yeah, I'm heartbroken. After the courtroom, before the cage, I was just a man dying on the center stage. Many brothers been here too, have worn the same shoes, seen these same cold eyes, the same lack of ownership, the same web of lies. The stress isn't a theory, it's a killer in the room. It's the cortisol and the pressure building up a tomb. They'll call you a villain to cover their own tracks, while the data shows a man's heart is the first thing that snaps. Accountability is the cure, but they'd rather let you die than admit they were the hand that pushed the pressure sky high. Keep the phone on, I need to hear a voice that doesn't lie. January 4th, New Year, same heart. I'm still here. I'm still here. Blacking out like meat on the steel table, freezing. I can't stay awake to be afraid. Just a passenger now, riding the rhythm of the sirens and the light. A quick, quiet joyride.